So yes guys, back with another video. In this video, I will be going to show you what IDEs you should use in order to develop an awesome web application. So the first thing is, for the beginners, I recommend Notepad++. Guys, this is so simple. It is also one of the most popular IDEs. It is so lightweight and simple, and it's free to download, and you can go ahead and use this Notepad if and only if you are a beginner. If you are just a child in programming and don't know all about those IDs and big complex things, I recommend you to just use this simple Notepad++. You can, guys, you can develop all the simple. You can learn JavaScript by using this Notepad++ if and only if you're a beginner. So I never recommend this IDE because I'm a software developer. I was using some complex thing, and for me it seems to be so simple. So this is just for beginners, and I just recommend this only for beginners, and use this IDE whenever if you are a starter. So the next thing is my favorite. This is Sublime Text 3, and as you can see, these are the official websites, and this is the official website in order to download Notepad++. And guys, this is Sublime Text 3. Guys, this is my favorite. This is awesome. This is cool. This is so super. It is so lightweight, open source, free. Guys, this is open source. You can download this and modify this and do whatever with this. Guys, this is so simple, and it is so an amazing idea. Hats off to this developers who have developing this. And guys, this is so simple, and it's amazing, guys. I recommend this only for an intermediate in developer. So if you are an intermediate developer, no matter about JavaScript, Python, Java, or no matter what languages you learn, it can be done in this simple lightweight Sublime Text IDE. Of course, you can build a huge application using this is not just like a notepad. This is this is beyond notepad. This is, guys, it has got awesome features, shortcuts, command palette, and powerful tools, splitting editors. The list goes on and on and on. So this is superb, guys. So I will be using this software, and I will be using this IDE to demonstrate you all the things in this entire course. And I recommend you to do the same thing, and you download this. And also, it is available for Windows as well as Mac. And this is so simple, guys. I just recommend you to uh, come up with this. So if you and the thing and the last thing is Visual Studio Code. Guys, this is gigantic, this is huge, this is so complex, and of course it provides you all of the things, all of the extension, all of the shortcuts, and all of the tools and necessary things. I recommend this only for a professional software developer. This, guys, I have used this when I was a software developer, and this is so cool. This is so awesome, and I feel that this should be used only for professional ones. And of course, it is developed for professional ones, and this is again an awesome IDE. This is fully complicated, fully highly uh, huge software. So this is just for professional ones, and of course I can use this, but for the sake of course concepts and all of the things which I'm going to explain, I will be using Sublime Text 3. And this is it, guys. This is all of the things that I usually recommend anyone as a software developer. So this is just for beginners one, and this is both for beginners and also for the advanced programmer as well. And this is just for a professional software developers, and I don't recommend you for this course. And of course, you can go ahead and install that, and you can work around that, and this is all up to you. And this is it, guys. This is all about what IDE you should use in this course. And I hope that I have given you a lot of resources and a lot of things, and all the explanation what software and what IDEs to use and when to use, and to the level of to your levels what you need to use. So this is it, guys. This is it all about the choosing the IDEs for your course. That's it, and see you in the next lecture.